Hi, welcome to Smita's Kaleidoscope. Ka ku maleka kakide mangala yakeka naale polaka narache kaalo kudke kaikeri alo balo aramane kaake bandite iruli kottite pari pocholo. Did you understand any of that? This is a common rhyme that is sung in Kodagu, where I grew up. Everybody holds their hand one over the other. Usually there'll be a grandmother there and all the children will be putting their hands one over the other and all of them will do this while grandmother sings. It doesn't make too much sense. It means Kaku Maleka, Kakida Mangala Yakeka. Everybody is getting for Maleka, the crow's wedding. Okay? And you know, while grandmother was doing something, one of the crows came, took an onion and flew away. That's what that rhyme means. That's funny, isn't it? Now what happened to me is Kaake banditu patra kottitu odi pochalo. The crow that came did not take an onion from me, took away one vessel and flew away. How funny is that? The other day I was making fryams. I had come out here to make some fryams and I saw a lot of crows watching me and just putting their head from one side to the other while I was making the fryams. I usually take it in a small vessel and have a bigger vessel also there. So a little bit will be in the small vessel and I keep pouring the fryams to dry in the sun. While I was doing this, I left the vessel there, the small vessel, that's my favorite vessel. I just left it there and went inside to do something else. When I came back and saw, my small vessel was missing. I was so upset when this happened and I looked around and I searched and searched. I didn't find it anywhere. Anyway, I went and finished all my work. After some time, I came back and looked. And there was this one crow who was just watching me like that. And I said, Crow, Kaka, was that you who took my vessel? And she just looked at me and just groomed herself a little bit. I said, listen, I'm talking to you only. You took my vessel, did you? And the crow just leaned to one side as if to say, yeah, I did, so what? I was so angry. I said, Kaka, why did you take my vessel? Give it back to me. I don't like this. And this one said, Ka. I said, no Kaka and all. Now just give me back my vessel. I want that vessel back. What is it? How was it useful to you? And this Kaka said, Ka. And so many of them came and stood there. All of them were just hopping a little this side, hopping a little this side, clutching on to the little branches and all that here and just listening to me very intently. I said, listen all of you, tomorrow I want my vessel back because that's my favorite vessel. I just want it back. Please bring it back to me. And all these crows, they were looking at each other and to me it seemed as if they were having a discussion with each other. By then, I heard this noise. I turned around. I had a really bad headache. I turned around and there was this squirrel standing right there and saying Kim, Kim. And it was so cute because every time it went Kim, Kim, its tail also went Kim, 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 Kim. Okay, that was so funny to watch. I was watching but my headache was becoming really bad. So I told the squirrel, what is this, Alila? Why are you doing this to me? You're doing this the whole time, all day you're doing this and you're giving me such a bad headache. can you please stop making such a lot of noise? And you crows, please can you not do ka, ka, ka the whole time, please? And it looked as if all of them were just looking at each other, okay? And I was like, what are they actually listening to me? By then, I heard somebody clapping and laughing. I looked around, my friend was standing there and she was having a hearty laugh because I was talking to the crows and the squirrels. I said, wait, you'll know. Tomorrow when my vessel comes back, then you can laugh. Then she said, okay, you really think that vessel is going to come back to you? I said, let's see. I've spoken to the crows and I've spoken to the squirrels. Who knows, maybe I'll get it back. So we went back. Next day I came, I was a little curious. I didn't have a hope, but still I was curious to see whether, my vessel will be there. And right there, dirty as ever, I saw my vessel. I was so shocked. I was like, really? Did the kakas actually listen to me and bring my vessel back to me? And I called my friend and said, did you laugh at me yesterday? So what is this? And both of us enjoyed it so much because I had had a nice chat with the kakas and with the squirrel, and the squirrel had stopped saying team, team, team the whole day. Had become very quiet, so I got a little nervous. I thought, what if something has happened to the squirrel? So I went to look, and she was just looking at me like, see, I can listen to you, kind of an expression on her face. It made me so happy to see the crows and the squirrels, everybody listening to me. How sweet is that? Did you enjoy listening to that? If you liked it, do share and subscribe to my channel. Do like it also. Thank you so much for listening to me. We'll say this again as we go. Ka ku malleka kakida mangala yakkeka naale polaka narache kaalo kudike kaikeri ಆಳೋ ಬಾಳೋ ಅರಮನೆ ಕಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಕೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಪಾರಿಪೋಚಲ್ಲೋ. See you until next time. Bye bye.